How to get IRS tax forgiveness. You're in a spot you never wanted to be in. And now you feel like the IRS has you over a barrel. In a minute we'll look at how a tax expert can get you off that barrel, but first you need to know what questions to ask. Maybe you've had a financial hardship in the last year. You lost your job. Your business income took a dive. You had an unexpected family medical emergency. Or you made a mistake on your tax return. The IRS says you didn't pay enough taxes. But the IRS doesn't just want the amount you were short. The IRS also wants you to pay penalties and interest. Or maybe you had a good year financially, but you didn't set enough aside for the IRS tax cut. Now you're looking at a big tax bill with not enough money to pay it. Debt forgiveness from the IRS is a way for individuals and businesses to settle their tax debts for less than the full amount owed. The IRS offers several options for debt forgiveness, including installment agreements, offer in compromise, and currently not collectible status. If you had a financial hardship, the IRS may agree to work with you to come up with a payment plan or reduce the amount owed. If you made a mistake on your taxes, the IRS might be willing to waive the penalties if you can show the mistake was not on purpose. If you have too much debt to pay all of your taxes, you may be able to get debt forgiveness from the IRS. This could be the only way for you to be able to move on with your life. If you have a problem with tax debt, you need to get answers from a qualified tax expert about the best way forward. Question 1. What options do you have for debt forgiveness? A tax expert may advise you to ask for one of these options: an installment or payment plan agreement, an offer in compromise, currently not collectible status. Question 2. How can you qualify for one of the options for debt forgiveness? Question 3. How much can you save with debt forgiveness? Don't make an agreement with the IRS until you can get an answer to this question. Question 4. What are the downsides to IRS debt forgiveness? Nothing is free. Right? The government is no different. Your credit score may drop. You could still be on the hook for future tax payments. Question 5. How do you apply for IRS tax debt forgiveness? You're not going to be able to just pick up the phone and call the IRS. There's a process you have to follow. You will need to provide some records or other documentation. A tax expert can help you answer these questions.
To get help with your IRS tax problems and tax questions, please talk to a qualified tax expert. You can work with a CPA, or other tax professional, where you live. Or, if you'd like to get answers to your questions quickly, about your own taxes, you can chat online now with a qualified tax expert. Just click on the link in the comments below this video.